Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful Monday. In this cloudy weather here in Johannesburg. Yes, we can see uMacele and uBaba Mseleko, uSne and all their siblings spending some quality time with baby Mseleko. That is the baby girl that Umusa Mseleko had with his fifth wife uMakwela. We can see nje everyone they are at home, they are chilled. Nje uMacele just loves spending time with all the kids that I've been saying. Pana uMacele, she always opens her arms to all the kids in the family, to all the kids that were born of Umseleko. Like nje, she makes everyone to be welcome. Surely she's spending time with the baby so that uMakwela can have some bit of time and stuff like that. You can see nje, even the baby she is much comfortable around uMacele, much happier nje. She is so chilled, like, hey, this is my mommy. So nje, we've been seeing also uSne, she is showing so much love and affection towards her whole family, her kids, her siblings, her parents. She's posting even the brothers. She's showing how much she loves all of them, and it is beautiful to watch such things, especially coming from uSne, because we all has thought hi uSne, she's like spending isikhathi kuye yedwa, she doesn't like to be around her siblings. But this time around she's showing herself, hi guys, it's not like that. I am here for my family. I love my family as much as they love me. I feel like uSne, she's spreading love to the universe, and love is coming back to her, as we had recently heard ukubana hi, very soon they might be singing ukubana umakoti ngowethu for uSne. It is very beautiful to see such coming from uSne, as we had always thought ukubana uSne, she's like the black sheep of the Mseleko kids. She's always like seemed okanye appeared to always be steering troubles or having your own troubles out there. But this time around she's showing, hi guys, calm down and relax. I'm here for my family. I love them and appreciate them, and it is nice indeed to see such things. She's been posting, I won't be low at our Sham. I love her Sham. It is beautiful to watch. And then we're seeing also posting abo Lwandle, Abongwe. She even posted recently having sitting on. She even posted the baby Mseleko, umntwana kaMakwela, saying, me and my sister. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.